Back with a new video. We're putting the doors on the Maverick X3 here. Well, it's actually not the full doors. We're putting the door inserts here, so that'll fill up that area, seal it up a little better for when I'm not riding, so mud isn't just flying straight from the tire into the machine. Yeah, let's get those unboxed. That's what came in this big A box here, so we'll get that going. Those are the instructions. Pretty basic. You unbolt the little, I don't even know what it's called, little door mini panel, and then bolt it back in with the new bolts. Let's see what they look like. Pretty nice. We got the metal frame. We got those bolts, as they mentioned, and then yeah, it does have this nice rubber seal already pre-attached, it looks like, so that's pretty exciting. We'll see if we can get this thing bolted up. I'm gonna remove these two Torx bolts. They look to be a T30. T30 fits the best on these, so we'll get those undone, and then there's some sort of nut on the bottom, so I'm not sure what size that is, but I'm sure you guys can figure it out. I want to save this for later if you ever decide to sell the machine. I'm actually going to reuse the washers from the old bolts because the new ones don't come with washers for the bottom. At least for two of the bolts I should be able to use that. Just slip these new bolts in. Allen number 4 seems to fit. Okay, just got one started. Let's find the other one. These front two I'm putting washers on where the nuts go. Just this back one I don't think I'll be able to. Instead of using the included washer, I just use this old washer with it because it doesn't poke off enough threads through this bottom part to thread this nut on, and the nut isn't curved either, so it's a flat nut trying to go on this rounded interior edge. So hopefully that'll be enough. But yeah, let's get this thing in place roughly, and then we'll cinch down one of the doors once we know it'll seal correctly. Gotta say, those look pretty factory. Seal up decently up in the front there. The plastic matches really well. The Can-Am's plastic too, which is good. And now we got full-size doors, or half doors, technically is what they're called. I guess they need a little bit extra shove to close, which is good, so they seal a bit better, and there takes out that rattle in the door that you normally have on these machines. So that wasn't too bad. That back bolt was the only concern, but besides that, we'll get the other side going. doors seem to fit pretty well and look good on the machine. There's clearly going to be some small gaps here and there, but the main sealed portions are good. This kind of sealed from this edge all the way around till about right here where that piece ends. I think that'll improve the riding experience quite a bit once I get out on the roads. I'll see you guys either in the next part I put on this machine or in the next video or when I go out riding or when I get a trailer, because I need to get a trailer freaking soon. See you guys in a bit. So we're here by the side of my garage and just want to show you that I did actually end up getting a trailer. This is a 7x14 aluminum trailer, obviously with the fold down ramp. It can fold down flat like that, so it's easier to haul when it's empty. So what I need to do now, I need to get some E-track, some bolts and screws and get that mounted so I can do the tire tie downs a little bit easier on the Maverick. But yeah, I can technically right now actually go riding. That's really exciting. But yeah, it's a pretty decent trailer. I was shopping around for them for a bit, and it is a brand new trailer. It's 24, so technically previous model year. People online wanted similar money for used trailers and not as good quality as this one. So this is made by a local guy in Jackson called Jackson Fabworks. So it's built well. The dealership is pretty cool. Can't complain about it. Good price for a brand new trailer. I'm sure I'll record the process of installing all the extra bits and pieces on it, but I'll see you guys either when I do that or in the next video.